Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make viral YouTube shorts in 2025 step by step. So these are quick, effective tips that creators are using right now in order to blow up their channels. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to start with a strong hook. The first 3 seconds decide if your viewers stay or scroll. So you can ask a bold question that shows a shocking fact, or you can also use any trending sounds. So the second step that you need to do is to simply just keep it fast and focused. As you can see, we have a bunch of different shorts over here, and most of the viral shorts are actually short, usually 15 to 30 seconds. So you can don't drag it out. You can use quick cuts, zooms, captions in order to keep the energy high. One idea is equal to one shot. Now most of the viewers watch without sound, so you can add bold captions on the screen. You can pair it with the trending music or the sounds from the YouTube's library, because this boosts the discoverability. You can also check the shorts feed for the trending formats, but don't just copy it. You can add your niche spin. Now, one viral video can change everything, but consistency keeps the growth steady. You need to aim for at least 3 shorts per week, testing different hooks until one takes off. So that's how, by keeping all of the things in mind, you will be able to make viral shorts in 2025 with the strong hooks, fast edits, captions, trends, and consistency. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.